a message for you.
I was born in a messed up century. My favorite sweets are raspberry and peppermint. I bought a carburetor at age 16. I brushed my teeth with a bleach cause I ain't got time to cavities. My daddy put a gun to my head, said if you kiss a boy I'm gonna shoot you dead. So I tied him up with gaffer tape and locked him in a shed. Then I went out to the garden and I fucked my best friend cause my...
Why are you making such a scene in the middle of the road? She's clearly not interested in you.